What's going on, guys? It's Jim from Import Image Racing, and I am kicking off a new series called Product Peaks, where each week we focus on a new product or tech tips for existing products to help keep you more informed and better educated. We are kicking things off with a quick look at the Noble F1 style brake lights for the VB chassis WRX. These come in an assortment of different designs and with all mounting hardware included, plus plug-and-play harness, even the weekend warrior technician can install this. For a more detailed look at all of the lighting options, check out the full-length video by clicking on the link in the description below. To install the light, you first pop the trunk. Then remove this pin on either the driver or passenger side rear brake light. Next, to remove this cover, pull on the plastic until it comes towards you. Remove the two 10mm bolts, fixing the tail light to the body. Then remove the tail light and disconnect it from the harness. Then with the long 3-pin harness, fish it down through the back of the bumper from the taillight bucket. Then with the provided plug-and-play harness, plug in the harness for the light, then the factory harness. Reinstall the taillight. With a flathead screwdriver, remove these 4 push pins. After removing the factory plug, install the provided clip on the passenger side with the threaded portion facing the center line of the vehicle. Then install the bracket with the tabs facing down using the threaded bolt and the provided push pin. Next, install the light into the car. Install the 2 provided threaded bolts. Now find and connect the harness that was previously installed on the brake lights. Secure the excess harness with the provided zip tie. Reattach your plastic bumper pins. And finally, check light for proper function. So thanks for joining us for this product peek. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.